Hello everyone, today we will see how to repair an Sony SRS-D5 system. It's a 2.1 speaker system. Here it's dead total. This is the adapter of the Sony. It is 13 volts and 35 watts. We will check the output voltage of this one now. Or on the adapter, we'll see whether we are getting the output voltage. Side is this one is the negative, center is the positive. You can see that on our adapter. See, now it's not showing any voltage. We'll check whether we are getting input AC voltage or not. Take out the plug. Okay, see here. Okay, here we are getting 230 volts AC. You can see. And here plug it again. Shift it to 20 volts DC. And here it's not showing any voltage. Okay, we'll check it now. We'll just break open the adapter. As this adapter is sealed, we need to break open it inside and open it. Here it comes. Just plug it off first. Remove the pin. Take it out. Okay. Before touching any of the points on the PCB, adapter PCB, this is the capacitor which is charged up to 300 volts. First you check whether any voltage is in that. See here, keep it to 1000 volts DC. It's a DC capacitor. Check it. See here, it's having around 15 volts. So we'll discharge it. If it is more than 15 volts, or if it is around 50 volt, 100 volt or 200 volts, never discharge it in this way. It will give a blasting sound. Okay. Now we discharge it. We'll check. Keep it to diode or beep. Where we see this is the AC input. It comes on the input here and here. See, from here it is going to a coil. This is the coil. It's going to coil. From coil it is going to an bridge rectifier here. So this is one terminal of the AC input, and this is the other terminal. The other terminal comes here, and here we can see some fuse is there. Fuse is installed. We'll check whether that fuse has continuity or not. Just keep it to diode. Check it. See here we can see there is no continuity. That is, the fuse is blown off. It's a temperature fuse. Okay, the fuse is blown off. Check with this coil. The coils are okay. Check with the bridge rectifier. See. Okay, there is no shortage in the bridge rectifier. Actually what happens, fuse blows either by over temperature, or if there is any components further after the fuse is blown off or is short. Okay, we will just solder the fuse. Take a wire. Okay, take only 2 strands, don't take more than 2. If the wire is too thin, take 2 strands. If the wire is thick, take only 1 single strand. Straight. Apply paste, soldering paste, not toothpaste. Solder it, pre-solder it. Now again apply some paste. Okay. Here is your fuse. Here you can see the fuse. Okay. Just cut it. And check the continuity. Okay, now it's connected. Now we'll check. We'll fix it inside the box and then check it. Okay, we'll check the output voltage. Keep it to 20 volts. This is negative. Now here we can see it is 13 volts. We'll connect the speaker and check. Here is your speaker. Set it backside, switch it off, set it. Okay. Okay, now it's powering on. Hope you can see the LED here. It's powering on. We'll connect it. Check. This is the subwoofer. Here it is written subwoofer, and this is the sound speaker. Here colors are mentioned. The input. Here. Speaker is working. You can. Okay, thank you for watching.